Suzuki made headlines when it introduced the v-strom 800de Djebel, a tribute to the legendary Djebel series of the past. Designed for rugged adventure riding, the v-strom 800de Djebel featured distinctive off-road styling, long travel suspension, and a livery reminiscent of Suzuki's rally heritage. The move was seen as a nostalgic yet forward-thinking gesture, catering to both seasoned adventurers and new riders looking for a retro-modern experience. The success of the v-strom 800de Djebel sparked discussions among motorcycle enthusiasts about the possibility of Suzuki expanding the Djebel lineup. With the growing trend of adventure-style motorcycles built from versatile platforms, many are now wondering, could Suzuki apply the same rugged Djebel treatment to its popular mid-size naked sport bike, the SV650? The SV650 has long been celebrated for its lively 645 cubic centimeters V-twin engine, offering a perfect blend of usable torque, smooth power delivery, and a soulful exhaust note. Its reputation as a beginner-friendly yet rewarding machine for experienced riders has made it a staple in Suzuki's lineup for over 2 decades. Despite its humble looks, the SV650 has proven itself on twisty roads, in commuter traffic, and even on racetracks. With a lightweight trellis frame and a responsive chassis, the SV650 provides a solid foundation that could be adapted for multiple riding styles. Transforming it into an adventure-capable machine like a Djebel edition would mean revising the suspension, increasing ground clearance, and equipping it with dual-purpose tires, all of which are feasible upgrades given the platform's flexibility. This vision comes to life in a striking concept designed by renowned motorcycle designer Obadan Bezi. His Suzuki SV650 Djebel concept features aggressive Dakar-style bodywork, a high-mounted front fender, knobby tires, and rally-inspired graphics in Suzuki's signature yellow and black color scheme. The tall windshield and side panels suggest long-distance off-road travel, while the minimalist rear hints at true dual-sport capability. Bezi's concept also includes practical adventure-ready components such as an Akrapovi exhaust system, a bash plate, and wide handlebars for better control. This iteration reimagines the SV650 as a versatile, go-anywhere machine that still retains the heart and soul of the original V-twin engine. It's a bold departure from the standard road-going form, yet one that feels entirely plausible. If Suzuki were to bring this concept to production, the SV650 Djebel could carve a new niche in the mid-size adventure segment, combining the raw charm of the SV650 with off-road readiness and nostalgic styling. It would appeal to a new generation of riders seeking a unique alternative to the traditional adventure bike formula, while paying homage to Suzuki's desert racing past.